Hello everyone. I'm going to make this short little video just as an addendum to getting started with the assignment. I want you just to kind of get a look at how it runs. I think that's going to help. Another thing I'd like to talk about is the hard-coded path or absolute path versus relative path. Since a lot of my Mac users are having problems with absolute paths, I'm going to recommend we just go ahead and use a relative path. When you do this, it'll be relative to your Python file. So since my Python file is under my Python class assignment 5 folder, in this case the answer file that I'm working with, the to-do document will also be there. And then when it starts, what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask to or show a user a menu of options and let them choose the option. And the first option we're going to do is to display the contents of that text data. Now, when the program starts up, I'm actually reading the text file as soon as it starts up and putting this information into name and value pairs in the form of a dictionary, which this will be a dictionary item, that will be a dictionary item. It'll be added to a list as a list of dictionary objects. And what we're going to do is that if they put in a 1 here, we display the current items. Now it doesn't have to look just exactly like mine. I just try to make mine look a little fancy by putting some stars in there. But you're just showing the content. And then what I want them to be able to do also is if they want to add an item, I want to ask what the task is and let's set the priority. You'll notice that it moves on and shows the contents. I mean, the current content is these items, the task and the priority, the task and the priority, the task and the priority. And that's my table of data that we're working. I'm going to present it like this so that the users have a nicer look and feel than just this. If I want to remove an item, I can do that too. Let's go ahead and let's see. Removing the item would be 3, and a task which I want to remove. Let's see. Let's go ahead and replace the first task here. So actually, I'll do laundry. I'm done with laundry, so I'll go ahead and do the laundry task. And you'll see that I put in the laundry keyword, and that was removed. So now I want to make the change to the data file. So I put in 4. And do you want to save this data? Yes, I do. And data was saved. Enter. And then I exit the program with 5. So once that's done, I should go back over here and I should see that it's no longer Clean House and Laundry. It's Clean House and AAA, just as we would suspect. So that's the way it's supposed to run. Hopefully this helps people kind of get started, get going with it. And as always, if you have questions, go ahead and put them out on the discussion board. We'll get to them as soon as we can. Thanks for watching.